just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. 'Cause it's too much, yeah, it's a lot to be something I'm not. I'm a fool out of love, 'cause I just can't get enough. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared that I don't show it. I can't figure it out, it's bringing me down. I know I've got to
Unlatch the socket on the main board by pulling the lever up. Place the CPU in the socket. Push the lever back down. Apply the thermal plate on the CPU. Mount the back plate to the main board. Attach the bed of the CPU cooler with screws. Mount the power supply to the upper back part of the case by inserting the power supply to the side of the case and then slide it on the support rails in the back. Attach the screw to the power supply. Check the mainboard mounting position. Push the mainboard into the case. Insert screw into all of the holes and tighten gently. It isn't necessary to over-tighten this screw. Place the CPU cooler on the CPU. Attach it with screws. Connect the CPU cooler to the mainboard. Place the memory module in the corresponding slot. Mount the sound card. Install the graphics card into the AGP or PCI Express slots by pushing until it fits snug into place. Don't forget the optional power connector. Connect the 4-pin power supply, as well as the 24-pin ATX connector. Mount the DVD-ROM drive and DVD writer. Connect the IDE cable to DVD drive and mainboard. And hook it up to the power supply. Mount the hard disk. Connect the SATA connector to the main board. Connect it to the power supply. Install the case fan. Attach the screw to the case to secure the case fan. Attach the side panel.
Let's go!